Alloy MCP. It's installed in my Claude Code session and it has direct access to all my robot data.
I'm going to ask it a question that would normally take an engineer hours of digging. In my most recent mission, why did that one drone fail? It calls the Alloy MCP and uses the raw flight logs from every drone in that mission, enabling you to find a real, verifiable answer using the AI tools you already use. Now, this is harder than it sounds. Every robot records gigabytes of logs in formats like MCAP, and the data you actually want is typically spread across dozens of missions. Each mission can have dozens of robots, and each robot can have dozens of sensors. Normally, you'd have to export all of that into CSVs, JSONs, or pull it into data frames by hand. Raw Claude or Codex struggle with this. Hand them that much data, and their context window overflows. And they're not used to parsing robot data on the fly, leading to a frustrating loop of hallucinations and retries. Alloy solves this on the platform side. It continuously ingests, decodes, and indexes all of that raw data into one queryable store automatically. You get the benefits of a data lake, one central home for all your robot data, built on open standards like Apache Iceberg, so it stays portable and you're never locked in. So when my AI asks a question through the MCP, it doesn't get a data dump. It just gets back the precise data that it needs. Now a single AI agent can reason across terabytes of robot data and back every answer with the actual source. And here's what it found in our example. Drone 9 dropped out at 2:02 PM because its battery sagged down to 13.8 volts, tripping the low voltage failsafe. Question asked, answer sourced, done. Now if that's an unexpected result, I can simply ask it to investigate upstream systems on that drone to get to a root cause, find other examples of this happening across the fleet, or pull this information into my normal debugging workflow.
Click the link in the comments to set up Alloy MCP with the AI tools you already use.